Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is HFM Pocket Hole Jig System. HFM Pocket Hole Jig Kit included an adjustable pocket hole jig, 11-inch C-clamp, step stop collar, hex key, step drill bit, coarse square driver, 1 screws 20. All packed in a portable case. HFM Pocket Hole Jig is made of high stiffness, durable nylon, and the core is made of high strength hardened steel. Incredibly accurate pocket holes can be achieved. Double chip discharge holes. Sawdust can be more easily discharged from the pocket hole jig. This pocket hole jig is with a 9-position setting. You can easily adjust the slider plate for different size wood. And it comes with 2 strong magnets that allows the C-clamp to clamp firmly without slipping when drilling. This product requires certain skills. If you encounter any problems when using, please feel free to contact the seller. We will give you timely guidance and support. The Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro is the easiest to use, most innovative jig for lightning fast, surefire pocket holes. The drill guide has an anti-slip surface, plus clamping technology adjusts for a secure fit. Our second best pocket hole jig is Kreg K4 Pocket Hole Jig. Kreg pocket hole joinery is the fast, strong, easy way to join with drill, drive, and done. This pocket hole jig has a 3-hole drill guide for pocket holes, perfect for use with materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick. The large clamping recess helps to secure your pocket hole jig, while the removable drill guide is ideal for benchtop and portable use. It's easy to see why one of the most important skills a woodworking craftsman must develop is joinery. There are many ways joints have been manifested in woodworking, often becoming part of the aesthetic in addition to their function. The dovetail, for instance, especially when made from wood of dramatically different colors. The technical proficiency needed to accomplish joinery of this and related types can be appreciated by those of us, like me, who have spent hours in their garages or shops practicing the craft. Third pick in our list is ENJOYWOOD Pocket Hole Jig. Pocket hole jig with a well-balanced aluminum frame to ensure a reliable woodworking support base. Additional side supports and positioning sliders can be adjusted laterally for easier work with longboards, simplifying your wooden furniture installation. Removable drill guide allows easy usage with benchtop and portable bases, making it convenient for on-the-go projects. Dust spout connector efficiently captures loose debris, particles, and sawdust during pocket hole creation, ensuring a dust-free drilling environment and reducing airborne allergens, ensuring safety during woodworking tasks. Pocket hole jig caters to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, offering versatility for furniture making, refurbishing, and repairs. The fixture kit is made of high-quality hard solid aluminum, which is durable, rust-proof and anti-corrosion, and has a long service life. It is your right-hand helper for woodworking. The double pocket 2-way hole 15 degrees drill angle design is adopted, which can be applied to all kinds of wood products to achieve accurate thread connection and hide the joints of all parts, without exposing screws and interfaces. Number 4 on our side is HOWOD Pocket Hole Jig. High-quality all-metal construction is much more durable than plastics and glass-filled nylon alternatives. Hardened steel drilling sleeves provide consistency and accuracy in your drilling applications. 2 high-quality 3/8 titanium-plated step drill bits for durability. 1 long and 1 short, for different thicknesses of materials. It's a solid performer for any project you may have. Simply loosen the thumb screws to release the mark slider, set the slider to the thickness of material to be drilled, and then retighten the thumb screws. Slider markings are in both imperial and metric measurements for all projects' needs. This pocket hole jig will help you drill perfect pocket holes every time in hardwood, softwood, and sheet, MDF, materials to quickly construct cabinetry, furniture, and other types of joinery with ease. Quick, tool-free adjustment and imperial and metric markings on this jig eliminate the need for extra steps or measuring devices. Number 5 in our top 5 best pocket hole jig list is HFM Pocket Hole Jig. Made of industrial-grade aluminum alloy, this pocket hole jig kit is both rugged and lightweight. Its anodized red surface provides an excellent finish and corrosion resistance durability. The drill holes are inlaid with steel sleeves, ensuring accuracy and preventing wear during drilling. With precise scales on both sides of the pocket hole fixture and a golden adjusting screw, you can easily adjust the drilling depth according to the thickness of the board without using any auxiliary wrenches. The chip hole has been increased for fast and smooth chip removal, saving you time. This jig makes it easy to drill an inclined counterbore in a joint, screw the self-tapping screw, without pilot hole, into another part, and quickly drill the willing hole to hide the screw in wooden furniture. No complex measuring or math is required, making it perfect for novices, hobbyists, and pros alike. It is very convenient and easy to drill inclined holes in wood quickly. Easily switch between multi-size drills for a variety of woods, positions and angles. Portable design without heavy and expensive tools is the perfect DIY tool for home woodworking. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.